You won't believe how amazing tofu and eggs taste together. Today, I'm making a simple tofu and egg dish. It's silky, flavorful, and so easy to make. Let me show you how. Crack 3 eggs. Add a pinch of salt and mix well. Use smooth tofu and cut it into thick pieces. In some ginger, garlic, and chop half a carrot. Now let's make the sauce. Some soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, pepper, and a bit of water. Mix everything together. Time to cook. Heat some oil in a pan. Lightly fry the tofu for about 2 minutes. Add the garlic, ginger, carrot, and stir fry until fragrant. Pour in the eggs. Stir halfway through so it cooks evenly and the eggs set perfectly. Once the eggs are set, add the sauce and let the tofu and eggs soak up all the flavor. Finally, sprinkle some green onion on top. It's done. Serve it with a bowl of rice. Wow, it's super comforting. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.